Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to write data to VTS. In previous video we have seen how to read a data from VTS server. Now we'll see how to push data to VTS server on a port. Okay, so first I'm using the two VTS servers now. So the first VTS server, the first VTS port will read the username password with the port on 8888, and it will write the success or failure status in 4001 port. Okay, so now the 4001 port don't not having any data. So when we come to the script, so here the first of beginning of your action, we are reading the data. We are reading a data to pass the username and password here. Okay, so once the username and password is passed to the variable and sent to the request, we are adding an assertion to that specific request where we pass the data. So if your success response, if you get on a login successful, then what we're doing, we are putting assertion with the text of sign out. If you are able to log in, you will be seeing the sign out option to the user. So I kept the sign out as an option assertion. So if it found, I'm taking the count into a variable. And next, what I'm doing here is like I created a file with another action by right clicking on action, just create a new action, and I have added a new piece of code which will write the data to VTS server. So here what I'm doing is I'm establishing connection with the local host and the port number what we are supposed to write, and it was 4001, so I made a 4001, and I'm getting a variable here and eval string. I'm getting the eval string from the eval string to making an integer. So if the value is 0, it means that there is no sign out option found on the page. So then I'm writing the data as a no. If you see that I'm writing the data as a no, and what username, what column name as a username, password, and the username password, what username password I have used, and what is the status of that login, whether it's a success or failure. If it is a success, then I'm writing the Y here, so it's successful. So let's see that we have how many records we have. We have the 5 records. Let's run our script. Yeah, I'm running it. So it started, submitted, uh, submitted. If you go to this page, it was refreshed. So you user 2, and if you come to here, the username 1, user pass 2, Y is successful. Okay, so now let's change the value. Let's change the value in pass 1. Pass 1, and we'll run it again. We'll run it again, and we'll see. Now we'll need to get the status as an a status as an a no. Yeah, it's done. If you see here, it's no. Okay, so this is how we need to write the data. Thanks for listening, difference.